आयतारा जाल्ल्या आयर्नमॅन 70.3 सर्तीत भारतीय सैन्य दळांतलो जवान तसोच आदलो आयर्नमॅन चॅम्पियन विश्वजीत सायखोम जैतिवंत. 32 वर्साच्या सायखोमान 2 वर्साच्या गॅपा उपरांत दुसरे फावट आयर्नमॅनाचो किताब मेळयलो. 4 वरां 47 मिनटां आणि 47 सेकंद लागून ताणें ही सर्त पुराय केली आणि सायखोम जैतिवंत थारलो. ह्या सर्तीत खासदार तेजस्वी सूर्या लेगीत वांटेकार जाल्लो.
Please make sure you have your timing chips.
International
Swim caps on.
that comprises
Obviously, we're going to be
swim,
going through each of the seating.
cycling,
And what you
running.
hear there is a metronome.
Goa is hosting the
So every
Ironman
time you hear
70.3
that, that's when you go.
consecutive
Volunteers
year.
will still hold you.
Ironman is
Just
considered
get
to be
used
the
to it.
peak of endurance fitness, and more than 1,500
That's it.
athletes
So every 5
are
seconds.
participating
So
in
it'll be
this
well spaced out.
event today.
You'll have enough time,
And,
time and space out there in the
The
water.
Prime Minister has given the country a vision of a fit India. And our country being a young nation, it is very important to be a fit nation as well. I'm extremely excited to be participating in the Ironman 70.3 triathlon. Today, all of us will complete a 1.9 kilometer swim, followed by a 90 kilometer cycle and a 21.1 kilometer run. It's so exciting to see, so heartening to see so many people who have a full-time day job, who have family commitments, and have managed all of that and taken out time with a lot of consistency and discipline to be able to be participating in this. I request young people all over the country to take up any physical activity, any sport. It instills a lot of discipline, it brings a lot of mental and physical strength to your life. So this is a great day and we're all very excited.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साहिल मांद्रेकार.